So we are going to be going from these keys to this key. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So if you're watching this, you probably own a GMT800, Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Yukon, Escalade, any of the above. And if you own one, you're either running the factory OEM key fob, or if you're like myself, you may have even purchased a Boost Auto 2015 style key fob. I must say it's a very nice style key fob. I've ran this one for maybe 2 to 3 years now, and you can see over the time, you know, the buttons have faded and the chrome on the sides has started to peel. So I figured it was about time for an upgrade for these set of keys. So this is the key fob that I purchased. I purchased it straight from eBay, and it's about $16, and shipping was another $5. So you're in it for about $21 when it's all said and done and at your door. Do keep in mind that the key that it comes with is blank, so I took mine to my local Ace hardware store and had them cut it to match the original, and it cost me about $3. Now once you get your package in the mail, it's going to come with 3 different things in it. They're going to send their own little card in here. If you want to open that up, you could read it. You're going to have 2 other little baggies. One is the key fob itself, which I'll pull out of this bag here for you in a second. And another bag with the key itself that you're going to have to go take and get cut. Now, in preparation for this video, I actually took my key and went and got it cut already. And this is what you're going to be installing into the key fob. So here's the key fob itself. I must say, I'm actually quite impressed with the quality of it. Other than like the little logo right here, you can obviously change that if you want. But it has a nice weight to it. The quality of it's really nice. You got your lock, your unlock button, and your panic button on the side. This is where you'll be installing your key, and then it'll fold down on the side right here. Now in your little baggie that came with keys, there's these little pins right here. And what you're gonna do is once you get your key cut, you're gonna take your key itself and put it in place. And if you can see, this hole right here is actually where you're going to put one of those pins in to lock the key in place. Then, once you put that pin in, everything's installed, and all you got to do is program the key to your vehicle. So now that we got the pin in, key is all installed. Works very nicely. Now you got to go to programming, and I will attach the video on how to do so. So this is a video from Boost Auto on how to program a key fob in less than 2 minutes, and I will go ahead and attach the link to this video in the description below. Now that install and programming is done, I'll go ahead and show you that the old key fob still works as it should. And now the new key fob will go ahead and lock and unlock. So we now know that the new key fob locks and unlocks the vehicle, but does it turn it over? And everything's working as it should. And that is how you install a new flip key.